In this video, we will tell you some home remedies that can help you reduce the symptoms and severity of migraines. Following are these home tips. Ice pack. Ice pack is a small bag that contains ice and gel. It is commonly available at medical stores, and it can be made at home. Therefore, if it is applied on the forehead, temples, or neck during a migraine, it relieves the patient from pain and inflammation. Over-the-counter pain relievers, acetaminophen, ibuprofen, or naproxen are medications that reduce pain and inflammation. These are the best medicines to reduce the intensity of migraine pain, but any medicine is better if it is used according to the instructions of the doctor. Caffeine. Caffeine can sometimes reduce the intensity of a migraine patient's pain. Therefore, in case of severe pain, consumption of tea or caffeine 1 pill can reduce the intensity of pain. But be sure to consult your doctor before using caffeine. Dark, quiet room. If you have a migraine attack, try to sleep in a dark and quiet room, because the intensity of the patient's pain may decrease due to lack of light in the eyes. Sleep. Sleep disturbance is a major cause of migraine, so it is better to sleep during pain. Also, make it a habit to sleep at least 7 hours. Massage. Massage reduces pain and muscle tension, therefore, gently massaging the neck, head, back, shoulders, arms, and legs with olive oil is a source of relaxation. Acupressure. Acupressure is an ancient Chinese medical technique that involves pressing certain points on the patient's body to reduce pain. Therefore, if the patient's head, legs, and back are pressed during the pain, the patient gets relief from the pain. Essential oils, lavender, peppermint, and ginger oils can reduce the intensity of a migraine patient's pain. Therefore, you can reduce the intensity of pain by massaging the head, neck, and shoulders with these oils. Magnesium. Magnesium deficiency can cause migraines, therefore, the intensity and symptoms of migraines can be reduced by using foods that contain magnesium. Mughal. Mughal is a very subtle fragrance that can only be absorbed in leather. In ancient times, the mughal was considered to be an excellent means of increasing immunity power, so in ancient times, by increasing the patient's immunity, the patient was enabled to cope with pain and illness, and for this, mughal was used in different ways. Mughal still works today to reduce the symptoms and severity of migraines, so every migraine patient should keep mughal around his neck. For more details of mughal, the link is given below. Thanks for watching the video.